It's become common knowledge that handsome guys are no match for guys who smell good in the eyes of girls. There's no more such thing as handsome privilege, but what exists is fragrance privilege. Have you heard the phrase, handsome guys may impress, but guys who smell good keep you thinking? Pretty cool, right? From this, we already know that looks aren't everything. It's pointless. If there's a good-looking guy with a great body but bad breath and body odor, which girl would want to get close? It's different with a guy who might have a more average appearance but smells good, guaranteed to earn extra points from the ladies. What makes a fragrant guy more attractive? The results of a study at Oxford University involving a number of female students also proved that a handsome face and cool appearance don't guarantee making women fall in love. They actually prefer guys who smell good over good-looking guys. Why is that? What makes fragrant guys win over handsome guys? 1. More charismatic. If your appearance is neat, cool, and you smell good, automatically you'll attract attention from people around you. People will also notice your presence and identify you by your fragrance. That's why it's no wonder that a guy with an average look but smells good has a more radiant aura and is incredibly charismatic. Especially if your communication skills are good, it's certain that girls will be interested. 2. Full of confidence. Fragrant guys usually always feel confident anytime, anywhere. Just so you know, fragrance can influence mindset and confidence. Yes, it's that powerful. The effect of the perfume scent you wear can also attract the attention of girls. Fragrant guys are also confident in approaching potential crushes. This is a plus point and makes them appear more attractive compared to good-looking guys who aren't as good at self-care. Confident guys are also seen as having a wiser impression and can protect their partners. 3. Creates comfort. Who wouldn't want to be close to a guy who smells good? A pleasant perfume scent can make girls feel comfortable and enjoy long conversations. On the other hand, a good-looking guy who doesn't smell good will just turn girls off. Not only that, fragrant guys can also spread positive vibes to anyone around them. The comforting aroma can even uplift a girl's mood and make her interested in getting to know you better. 4. Clean and well-groomed. Are you in the middle of getting to know a girl but lazy to shower? Better step back, bro. Guys who rarely shower, are messy, and have a careless appearance will be considered less attractive by girls. Meanwhile, fragrant guys give off a clean and tidy impression. This also reflects the person's personality, showing that a fragrant guy surely knows how to maintain personal hygiene, making them much more attractive. 5. Naturally sexy. A fragrant guy will naturally come off as sexy, even with an average face. The mix of a man's perfume with their body scent will produce a distinctive masculine fragrance, making girls not want to stay away. You can choose a perfume scent that can captivate your crush's heart. For example, strong spicy scents like musk, sandalwood, bergamot, or citrus. When sprayed on the body, these aromas create a sexy and appealing scent that girls love. Seriously. Now, how to become a fragrant guy women like. If you still lack confidence, maybe it's time to start taking care of your appearance and personal hygiene to catch the eyes of girls. Here are some tips you can try. 1. Shower regularly. Don't expect any girl to stick around if you're still lazy to shower. Showering twice a day not only freshens up your body, but also keeps you healthy and free from diseases. After showering, don't skip using deodorant and perfume to keep your body smelling good all day. But hey, remember, taking care of yourself doesn't mean dousing yourself in too much perfume until it's overwhelming. 2. Maintain grooming. Grooming is important for guys to keep their appearance sharp. This includes cutting hair, tidying up facial hair, trimming nose hair, and using skincare products to keep your face clean. 3. Dress well. To maximize your appearance, choose stylish and cool outfits. Trust me, a guy who wears stylish and good-smelling outfits can increase his attractiveness by 100%. So, do you understand now why fragrant guys are more attractive than good-looking guys? So, don't be surprised if a pretty girl prefers a partner with an average appearance. It could be that the guy has a good body scent,